Wanted to go through and give you a quick update for what is happening with your Google Drive app on your Promethean board. As always, please make sure you check all of your apps are updated using the Google Play Store. Mine are updated, but I'll give you a quick reminder of how to do that. Unified menu, you'll go to your locker, and then within your locker you're going to find the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is always indicated with the Google Play Store icon right here. I'm going to go ahead and launch the Google Play Store. To check to see if your apps are updated, you're going to tap your profile in the upper corner. Once I tap my profile, my pop-up menu is going to come up that says Manage Apps and Devices. Once I go right here, I'm going to check to see whether or not I have any apps that need to be updated. Right now I can see all of my apps are updated. If you need any apps updated, you tap there and you go ahead and say Update All Apps. Make sure if any app is acting funny, this is your first step that you should do. Once you've made sure that your apps are updated, I want to show you this cool feature using Annotate PDF right on your Promethean board. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my unified menu, go to my locker, and then I'm going to go ahead and find my Google Drive app. The Google Drive app has been updated, and you're going to find that before you would find your icons on the bottom of the Drive app. Now you're going to find on the right-hand side, or the left-hand side, you're going to be able to find how you're going to navigate. So we can see we have Priority, Workspace, Shared, and Files. I've been in mine, so you're going to see Files here. What I really want to show you today is how you can actually annotate and save a PDF file within your Google Drive. All of this is through the PDF editor within the mobile version of Android. And because our Promethean boards are like a giant smartphone, that's why it's going to work on the Promethean board, but not on your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap up here, and I've been working with these files, so I'm just going to go ahead and search for my file. And it starts with a P. So I have a couple different files I want to demonstrate. So the first one I have here is going to be this sample math worksheet that could be used with our lower elementary kids. So basically we have our compare numbers. We're going to go ahead and use our features within here. But what I want to point out is right here. Do you see the little pen with a squiggly mark? This is going to go ahead and turn on within the Google Drive app on the Promethean board how you can actually annotate and save your annotations right on a PDF. So here's the PDF, and now I want to point out within Google Drive I can pinch and zoom. So with this worksheet I could go ahead and have kids come on up. I can hand them the pen. Right here I have the feature. You'll notice that I have red selected, but I can go ahead and go to blue. I can change the size that I'm going to be writing with. You can use my pen, or I can go through and use my finger. I'm going to go through and mark my symbols. And I purposely went through and made these bigger so it's a little bit easier to see. And I have two more that I can see on my screen. And this is usually where if we use the Annotate feature of the Promethean board, you'd have to turn it off and you won't be able to see it anymore. But what I want to point out using this Annotate PDF within Google Drive, I'm going to turn my annotations off. I can scroll, turn it back on, and it's actually writing on the PDF itself. So I can go ahead and continue working through this. Now, while you're doing this, you can go ahead and use your pen color. You also have a highlighter, eraser. Using your Promethean pen, if you actually just type on it, you actually can erase it, and then you can go ahead and write it again if you needed it in a different color or whatever feature you want to go ahead and use. What I want to point out is this you can save. So if you got halfway through this in one lesson and you want to come back to a next on a PDF within your Google Drive, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And that's going to actually save these annotations right on the PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and go back within my Google Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up this Word Find. I can do exactly the same thing with this Word Find. You will see that I have this way to annotate PDF within Google Drive. Here it is. I can go ahead and zoom, pinching out. You can see I'm going to go ahead and go to highlight color. And I'm going to go ahead and use purple. So here, this is as a word find, and I'm gonna go ahead and find some words. So here I have help. You can have the kids come up and complete the word find. You get halfway through, you want them to come back the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. And I know you're probably thinking, well, now I just annotated on my PDF, but let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do. Here is this math worksheet that we did before. You will notice my annotations are saved on here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Annotate feature. And even though I opened it and I had saved it previously, I can still go in and erase all of these using the eraser feature of my Promethean board. Now, I want to have this blank one back for me to have in my drive. I'm just going to go ahead and save. And now I saved it again, but I removed all of my annotations. So I hope you have fun using the Annotate feature of a PDF on your Promethean board.